Hello, my name's Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you our rotten zucchini squash and why it rotted. Here's a clip from the show. This is a squash that did not pollinate. So you can see it rotted on the end and it's turning yellow and stuff like that. So you want to remove these from the squash plants, but also when you're hand pollinated, especially early in the season, you can prevent a lot of this. So this is one that I missed. And so we don't get to eat that one. That'll go in the compost. But I just wanted to show you that in case you're seeing that in your squash, where you're getting a lot of just dead squash on the end and stuff like that. So this clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 15. If you'd like to follow the zucchini plants all season long, go ahead and enroll in the show. It's free, it's online, and you can get in the show on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.